you know ancient Egypt was the first to make perfume? Did you also know pheromones are hormones triggered by scent? This stimulates sexual appetite. By wearing perfume, it plays an important role in human sexuality. Did you also know perfume is made from natural ingredients like flowers and fruits? In our research, we were trying to figure out which trial with different amounts of oil would last longest. In the end, we figured out that perfume with 15 milliliters of oil lasted the longest. So it would stay on the skin longer and the smell would last much longer. Do you like perfume?
Yes. Yeah. Same here.
How often do you use it?
Like, occasionally. Like, I'll use it like 3 times a week. If I remember. Yeah, if I remember to.
Do you know what perfume is made out of?
No, not exactly. Water and oil. Good smelling things. Or bad smelling.
Do you use perfume?
Yes, sometimes.
How often do you use perfume?
I don't know, a few times a week.
Do you know what perfume is made out of?
Yes, there are chemicals in perfume and esters that cause the scent or change the scent for different types of perfume.
Do you use perfume?
Sometimes. Yes.
How often do you use it?
Probably like 3 times a week.
Do you know what perfume is made out of?
Yeah, I do. No, I know
You can't look it up.
alcohol, and scented oil.
Why, dude? I'm way too much.
Now to Lauren with the purpose of our research.
The purpose of our research was to test both alcohol-based perfumes and oil-based perfumes in order to see which will evaporate the slowest. We did this by creating 3 trials with different amounts of oil for each one. Our independent variable was how much oil we put into each perfume. Our dependent variable was how long it took to evaporate. And our control variables were the amount of alcohol, the amount of carboxylic acid, the temperature, concentration, and agitation. Our hypothesis was if the perfume is more oil-based, then it will evaporate slower because oil is less volatile.
The lab was able to prove our hypothesis and question of whether a thicker oil base evaporates slower than an alcohol-based perfume. Through creating 3 trials in which each test tube increased by 5 milliliters, we were able to adequately support our thesis. First, we set up a hot water bath containing boiling water. We used a 100 milliliter beaker, filled it up with water, and set it on the hot plate. We then placed the thermometer in and water and kept watching the temperature increase. We labeled the 3 test tubes for each trial, 1, 2, and 3. We placed 3 milliliters of isobutanol formic acid into a test tube. We then put in a small scoop of salicylic acid to create a sweet scent. We then added 2 droplets of sulfuric acid. For trial 1, we added 5 milliliters of canola oil into each test tube. For trial 2, we added 10 milliliters, and then for 3, we added 15 milliliters of canola oil. We checked how long it took for the fragrance to evaporate. Then we placed a droplet of each on the foil onto the hot plate to speed the process of evaporation. We started the timer once the foil was placed on the hot plate. Once one of the droplets evaporated, we started recording the time.